The last project we worked on this year was our R&D project for an Eco Skyscraper for Preston. It'd be the tallest building at 30 stories high that we've got, and it'd be certainly a little bit different than the usual skyscraper that you've seen, particularly in the UK. Here we've used engineered timber exoskeleton around the steel frame core. The cool thing about the steel core running up through the building, as well as providing services and structure for the primary structure of the building, is to take modules. And these modules will come in and out of the building like a good old-fashioned Pringle machine, where the crisps would fall down, turn out, and you can turn and pick a flavour. We will be able to do that same analogy here, but with residential work pods, even green living spaces, our vertical parks and gardens that we'll be having through the actual building. A lot of skyscrapers are designed bottom up. Our actual structure and exoskeleton can start first, and then the modules can come in. This means we'll be able to easily improve them, maintain them, bring them in and out, and ultimately allow the future investors to create their own space. If someone wants to take a floor or a part of it, we can use those segments and actually bring them up and down, in and out, and spin around at each floor to suit. And certainly, as you'll see from our CGIs, we will be having vertical gardens. We really think that's important because we want to use this building as a means to clean the air around the ringway in Preston. We feel if you're going to have a vertical space, a skyscraper, you're going to have a vertical village in the sky. And what better way to have these gardens that the actual residents and people working in the building and relaxing can utilise. We would actually have a crowning garden on the top of the building on the 30th floor, which would have those tremendous views over Preston. We would use specific types of plants and trees up there that would echo that type of environment and sit harmoniously in the landscape. We really feel it's important to look at this site in particular as it's the station gateway next to our Preston train station. The HS2 will be coming to Preston in the years to come. So what better way to have such an important site right at the heart of the transport hub of Preston, on the ringway, in between the University Central Lancashire and Preston train station, that will really provide a beacon of hope for regeneration of Preston. From the feedback we've had on social media through this skyscraper design and some of the others I spoke about on previous videos, the idea here is we're talking about Preston being a new age city. We are a little bit different to Liverpool and Manchester on purpose. We are the alternative. We should know our worth, and it's absolutely right that we can have these nice buildings, these nice spaces, and it's within our reach, it's within our capacity. With some good energy, some great people out there that can be part of these design features and stories and some good investment, we can make these projects happen. Albeit we might do them a bit more pragmatically. There's no shame in coming up with some creative ideas here that really start off these conversations.